Hi everyone, welcome to our new webcast with IBM at Magnolia. Thanks everyone for joining this new webcast. This is Ben Hayedal from IBM, and with me today we have Magnolia, which is one of our new Ready for Smarter Commerce partners, especially linked to our Webshere commerce platforms. And we are here today to present our new integration and how the solution works, and CMS linked to Webshere Commerce and the benefits of using this together. So with that, I'd like to hand over to Magnolia to take us through their solution.
Hi everybody, warm welcome from me on to this webcast as well. Just so you know whom you're talking with, I'm Jan Haderka. I'm with Magnolia since 2008 and currently help Magnolia at the position of Chief Integration Officer, where I'm being responsible for all the external product integrations that we make. I hope you are all familiar with the Webshere Commerce Suite already, so throughout the webcast I will focus on the integration itself and talk a little bit more about Magnolia, what it is, and how you can use it to make your life and life of your customers more easy. Our integration goal for this particular integration was to give you tools that allow you to build flexible websites, be it microsites, campaigns, or other types of sites on top of your existing stores managed by Webshere Commerce. We don't want to have you rewriting or inserting all the existing content that you have already placed in your web store. Rather than that, our aim is to let store managers to harness the power of the Webshere Commerce more effectively and to achieve more pleasing and flexible results when building visual content, whether such sites need to be delivering special content to mobiles or tablets, different language groups or different product categories. With Magnolia, you are getting the enterprise-grade CMS that works same on the desktop and mobile, so whether you are in your office or on the move, you can work with it and you can keep developing and building your site. You also get all the enterprise features that you normally expect to have in the content management, such as workflow, versioning, etc. And you get all that integrated and being able to basically work with the smarter commerce content as if it was native content in Magnolia. So you already built all your catalogs, your checkout process, your user management, etc., all the things in the Webshere. And rather than asking you to rebuild all those again, the tooling which we deliver in that integration allows you to just expose and reuse all the processes, all the things, all the content that you have already put in your web store through Magnolia to build the sites which are easy to build and easy to use and easy to deliver to different channels. Being in CMS business for a while, we realized that the work habits of people are changing, that we move through the faster world, that we need to deliver our results more proficiently, and we are trying to aid you and your customers in this changing world and hope that you will find this helpful to allow you to manage the sites that you build on Magnolia. And as I said, that you find it very useful to be able to access your site and modify it and manage it from anywhere you are. Of course, if you want to be really productive when building the site, you need an easy way to build any kind of the website, and that's where the Magnolia power comes. Out of the box, when you install Magnolia, you get over 70 different easy-to-style components for building the sites, which you can just put together as the blocks. And with this integration, we are adding extra 10 or so elements or components that allow you to mesh whatever you have currently in the Webshere Commerce with the basic components that you get from Magnolia. So you can take your products, build the teasers very easily from them, take the promos, take the shopping cart, checkout process, anything you have currently in the Webshere, and you can match and mix it with any kind of component that comes from Magnolia. And you can also style it very easily with the themes that comes from Magnolia, which are designed to be able to deliver the experience on the desktop, on the mobile, or on different channels wherever you need them. Of course, when you are building the site, not only do you want to be able to display the content, and you already have, you also need to change the content to different audiences, because there is big amount of stores around, there is big amount of content being offered to users, and everybody likes to go where they feel at home, where they feel welcome, where they feel comfortable, and not one format fits all. So you already have a number of tools inside of Webshere Commerce that allow you to personalize the offering, to personalize the product that you are displaying, to personalize or to create personal packages or bundles of the products for the people. What you get with Magnolia on top of that is the tool which allows you to build even different layouts, different views of the content of the whole pages for your audiences, and the tool which allows you to basically change this experience when browsing the site based on the information you have available about your users, be it the location, their age, or any kind of other information that you might be having or knowing about your users. Again, the websites are all about being able to edit the content, about being able to deliver the right information at the right time, and that's what we are aiming for as well. So while we allow you to expose all the content from the store on the website, quite often you might have found yourself in need when building campaigns or microsites or something that needs to go out very quick, which is very dynamic, that maybe you need to adjust little thing here or there, that you need to change one image, replace it with another, and so on. That's the power we aim to give you here as well. With all the components that you get out of the box, those components allow you to just select the product you want to display or the category of products you want to display, but it also gives you the power, should you need to override any of the information which is coming from the store and change it on the front of the website to do whatever you need to do. I've already mentioned some of the components that we delivered, but know that there is many of them. There are things like the shopping cart display, there is complete checkout process integration, so whatever checkout process you have configured on your Webshere Commerce, you can just use it through Magnolia and have it fit within the team. The registration process, user management, address book management, all the basic components of the store that you need, you can just have them inside of Magnolia, use them, you don't have to develop them again. So the main pain point of having integration of CMS with the store, we have taken care of that for you. And as I said, all the components are styled and designed in such a way that they are very easy to display, and be it on the desktop, be it on the mobile, be it on the tablets, you can have all that content styled with the theme that you deliver in Magnolia and have it react automatically to whichever needs you have. And of course, there's more. I just barely scratched the surface of this integration right now, so I would like to actually invite you to go to our website and look at the detailed description there, look at many more screenshots what's there. You can request a live demo if you want to show you what this integration is capable of, and to allow you to decide for yourself how this can make your life better and easier. So if you are wondering where to start, as I said, go to us, ask us. We will be happy to assist you, to help you figure out whether this is really the best tool for you to use or not. Don't hesitate. If you wonder how you would go around with the implementation, know that Magnolia, although a Swiss company and with headquarters in Switzerland, is present worldwide. We have offices in various parts of the world to make it hopefully easy to locate us anywhere you want. And also, we have experience with powering many different sites, be it the Airbus group for formerly EADS, or be it the A-list local businesses, or be it even the news sites such as Al Arabiya, which sometimes take real beating when some interesting news come out and they have thousands of visitors coming a second to look at the site. So whichever direction, whichever area of business you are in, whatever are your needs, Magnolia can actually scale and can fit those needs should you decide that you want to use it. Of course, with such a wide coverage and widespread of where the system can be used, we would be stretching ourselves very thin, trying to do everything ourselves. So what we started a long time ago instead is that we started to build the partner network, that selecting different partners in different locations, the best integrators in given spaces that help us to deliver all the experience, to deliver all the projects, and to make sure that wherever you are in the world, there is always some partner which is close by and which can help you with your implementation should you need any help. Another secret which we mastered a long time ago is that the only way to build successful and lasting projects is by building relationships between ourselves, our partners, and customers, and having all of us working closely together. This is what we always aim for and what we always try to make sure that each Magnolia-based project is successful and that in the end it's a win for everybody. We get the happy customer, happy partner, happy Magnolia. So just to wrap up, what we try to deliver with this integration, and I hope I also succeeded in giving you at least brief glimpse of what this integration is about. We are not redoing the Webshere commerce. This is such a big task that it would not be even really feasible. Instead, we are trying to give you something that should sweeten up your days of working with the Webshere commerce and building the website, something that your store managers or store managers of your customers can use in their daily life to become more productive and in the end to have more time to think about innovative ways how to drive their business home. In short, in our world, which by the way is exactly the same as yours, we observed the changing trends for years, and we are always trying to react to those trends and trying to stay on top of the game to be able to help our customers to stay on top of the game. And what we see for a while is that the virtual presence and the physical presence and the stores are basically converging, that the line between them is becoming more and more blurred every coming year. And you probably know that for yourself. I could talk about it for a long time, but you could also read various analyst reports or compare it to your own experience. Surely you all feel that in your business, customers are constantly comparing online and offline offering, and even on the online, they swap seamlessly between different devices. They start shopping on one channel, then they move to second and finish it in the evening on the third one. And that's basically what we are trying to help you to deliver with our offering, trying to help you stay on top of your game and be able to react to all those changes and adapt to it without getting lost in the complexity of the business itself. And of course, we are not the only ones seeing those changes. There's many others, and there's many different solutions to many different problems, and more arising every day. There's massive funding behind the scene that support in people solving the various aspects of this changing shopping experience. So rather than trying to solve all the world's issues, what we do is we focus on the most essential and most difficult part of the web experience and digital business platform. And we open up our product as much as possible to integrate easily with anything else that is best in its own domain, and to allow customers to swap such integrations for another next month or next year, or whenever they decide that there's new trend or new emerging tool of interest or new winner in given niche, and whatever it is, be it market automation, CRM tool, or anything else they want to have integrated in their shopping experience. And this is really our vision and what we try to give you today. We are offering a content-centric framework that integrates with anything, that works everywhere, and that is easy to use for those who need to use it daily. And with this integration, we deliver and extend this vision, hopefully also to Webshere Commerce today. Should you find yourself in need of more information, or you want to discuss this integration, find out how it can help you with your current problems, please contact us or go to our website, have a look at this integration, at other integrations we have done, and ask the questions you need to answer in order to make your life easier, your business more successful. And that would be all from me today. So thank you very much for listening.
Thank you, and thanks everyone for listening. I got a couple of questions from the audience here. Why use content management in addition to Webshere? Just the benefits. Why can you not use the content management within Webshere as an example, or another system? Why use Magnolia content management?
Yeah, thank you. That's a good question. You already have probably your shop built in, and you are wondering why. But just go ask your store managers how many times a year you need to create a marketing campaign or special offering or microsite for some particular product that you have something extra you want to show. With Magnolia on top of your store, you can do this very easily without affecting any kind of offering you have in the store. You can also much easier anticipate and can the effects of this campaign maybe going viral and generating massive flow, or if you need to change that campaign very quickly to react to the changing atmosphere or changing feeling of the audience of the campaign, you can do that very quickly without affecting your shop. So that's the main benefit we see, that for you to start with this integration. You can build something on top of your store without affecting it. You can do it very quickly, you can move very quickly, you can restart it very quickly. You can edit it anywhere you are on the move. You can touch it from mobile devices. You can have it very easily restyled to different channels where you need to deliver such a campaign or microsite.
Okay, thank you. I have another question here. What other tools can Magnolia integrate with?
I don't have a list of all integrations we have currently in the presentation, but there is about 30 to 40 other tools that we've already integrated, and we try to have a good coverage, always selecting the best tools in given segments of the market. So be it marketing automation, customer relationship, customer experience, be it different external search engines or indexing engines, and any other tools you can imagine. We always try to see what's the best tool or the most often used tool our customers have in a given segment, and try to have that integration ready for you.
Okay, thank you. Another question. I saw you had a lot of partners around the world, but if you were a partner and you're not a partner today, how would you go about becoming a partner?
If you want to be a partner of Magnolia, just come to us, contact us. We will work out with you all the details of the partnership. As part of the partnership, we also offer you training in Magnolia, how to use it, how to deploy it, how to do the projects. We also teach you everything about the integration. So just contact us and we will help you.
Okay, great. I think that covered the questions from the audience. With that, I'd like to thank everyone for attending, and thanks for Magnolia for presenting. And everyone have a nice day. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you as well. Have a nice day.